In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your security token in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting with Salesforce, understanding how to access your security token is crucial. It ensures that you can connect various apps and services securely to your Salesforce account, allowing seamless integration and data access. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. Head over to the official Salesforce login page and enter your login credentials. This is your first step into accessing a wide range of vital Salesforce functionalities, including obtaining your security token. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. Now, let's move our attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. The Settings area in Salesforce is essential for personalizing your user experience and managing your account details. Once you're in the Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar will present you with a variety of options, each geared toward different aspects of your account. Scroll through the list, keeping an eye out for the My Personal Information section. It's under this header that you'll discover the Reset My Security Token option. Proceed by clicking on it. This section is particularly focused on managing your personal credentials and ensuring that your account remains secure. When you navigate to the Reset My Security Token page, you'll see a button that stands out. It says Reset Security Token. When you're ready, click this button. The action you're taking might seem simple, but it's highly effective. Clicking this button prompts Salesforce to generate a brand new security token for you. This measure is all about enhancing your account security by ensuring that only new integrations can connect with your updated token. After you've taken this step, Salesforce will handle the rest. They'll email your new token directly to your registered email address. Now, it's crucial to highlight that you should have access to this email account, as you'll need to retrieve the token from there. This token will be essential for various API integrations, so make sure to store it securely once you've received it. And there you have it. You've successfully found and reset your Salesforce security token. Understanding how to manage your security token is a key part of maintaining your Salesforce account, especially when it comes to integrating with third-party applications. Be sure to keep your token confidential and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more Salesforce tips and tutorials on our channel. Happy Salesforce navigating!